Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make oatmeal fufu. Oatmeal fufu, yes. So I'm going to be using my oatmeal from Lady, the one I bought from Lady. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn it into fufu. So we are going to start by blending it. From there we can continue from there, because the reason I'm making this video now, because I'll need some oats for my for my organic soap. So I just decided to, okay, let me just do it full video and show you guys, because oats is very good for your for fufu and so many other things. So we even take part of the oats to add to our organic soap. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm not going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be adding it to my organic soap. So I'm going to be showing the parts of the fufu. My channel is for for food, so that is what we are going to be doing. So let's just dive into the video.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Very smooth, very smooth. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding starch. This is 1 cup of starch. I'm going to be adding it. It depends on how you want it. You can decide to add less or more. So I'm going to mix it together. So our water is already boiling in the gas, where we are going to make our So guys, it's ready. So I just transfer it here now. So what I'm going to do is just to so thank you all so much. So our oatmeal fufu is ready. So this is it. So I'm very happy. If you watch this video up to this extent, I say may the good Lord bless you. I really appreciate you guys for always coming to my video. And if you know today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and also share, and the good Lord will bless you. And once again, I just want to remind you guys that oatmeal is very good, especially for those of us that want to stay in shape, like me that want to stay like this. So I just want to stay like this. Even though when I'm having my great grandchildren, I just want to be like this. I don't want to add weight. I don't want to add more weight. So if you want to be like that, oatmeal is supposed to be your swallow all the time. Yes. So not that you cannot eat other swallow, you can eat, but let oatmeal be more. For example, you take oatmeal in a week 5 times in a week. Can take this one 4 or 3 times. It's okay. It's very good. Or you can also use oatmeal for different things. Yeah, you can use oat for different things. Like now, I separated part of the oatmeal I grinded for my for my organic things. Like I'm going to, after this video, I'm going to be making a video of how you can make your black soap. Yes, I also need oatmeal in that recipe. So that is why I just decided to use one stone to kill 2 things. So that is why I decided to make this video. Thank you also so much. I appreciate you guys. See you all on my next video. Until then guys, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye. Yes, and if you live around